Welcome to the in front of your Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have to the same wallpapers on lock and home screen of our device, and just to change, for example, the lock screen wallpaper, we should tap here to the home screen and lock screen section. To the personalization section, and then tap here to the wallpaper. Now we can see here that we can select the new wallpaper from our device default, wallpapers, or album from our device photo, the screenshots, or just previously taken on our device camera photos, or downloaded, for example, from the internet. Let's just select one from the default wallpapers. We can just see how all that looks here on our device screen. Then just tap to apply and click to the lock screen. After that, we can lock the device and see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. By the same way, we can just change lock screen wallpaper just by hold for a while the one from the device screens, and on the left down corner tap to the wallpapers, and by the same way just select one from these wallpapers, tap apply, click to the lock screen, wait a second, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.